Welcome to my channel. My name is Surv. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make trap drums inside Logic Pro for the iPad. Now I got this sample I'm working on. With the new update on Logic Pro for iPad, they made it easier so you can bring your drums in. So let's head over to the browser section. When you get in the browser section, you're gonna go right here to the sample folder, and this is where all your drum samples are gonna be housed at. As you can see, I got a couple of drum kits in here. We're gonna go with this one by Bolo the Producer, and it's called the X Factor Kit. Right here, I'm gonna go for a clap, and I'm gonna use that first one. I'm just gonna drag it right here into this empty spot. We're gonna go with the quick sampler. We can close the browser system. I'm sorry, the browser section, and we're gonna close the this keyboard at the bottom. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go right here in this little empty area. I'm gonna click. We're gonna create a pattern region. When we go to this, let me go back a step again. We go right here to this little pencil, that's the editor. We're gonna pull the editor up. We're gonna put our clap right here in the middle. And we can turn our volume down. And if you don't have this volume slider right here, you just wanna go down here to the bottom where you see this icon. Right, this one right here. When you click it on, and then you should have the volume slider right there. Now let's go get a let's close that out. Let's go back to the browser system. Now with the dope thing about with the new update, it saves the last kit you was working on. So we don't have to go to a search for that last kit we was working on, like the X Factor kit. We're still in the same kit. So we can go back, and we can go to hi-hats, find some hi-hats, and play that sample again. I'm gonna grab that one right there, sample the hi-hat number 5, same thing, quick sampler, close the browser, close the panel, go right here to empty spot, create a pattern region, go down here to this pencil, open it up. Now with the hi-hats, we wanna go right here to the 3 dots, I'm gonna click to 16, that's 16 notes, I'm gonna go down to 8th notes, and basically this is gonna be a 2-step. I'm gonna go right here to the 3 dots again, go to the arrow, click it, turn our hi-hat down. We're gonna come back to the hi-hats and close this editor and go back to the browser section again. And this time we're gonna go to let's get a snare. Go with that snare 3 right there. Drag it in, drop it, quick sampler. Close the browser section. And go right down here again. Quick create a pattern region. Go to the editor. And this time we're gonna put our snare right here. And we're gonna put one over here. Ooh, turn that way down, it's hot. And then we're gonna go to where it says length. And we can change this length to and basically when we do that, the first you see the 2 squares, the first 2 squares are gonna be bar 1 and 2, and the second square is gonna be 3 and 4. And you can see that up here in the we're in the loop section. And for 3 and 4, I'm gonna take 1 snare out. When you get a chance, you can just play around to where you want to have your snares at, and you can actually add more if you need more spots. You can go up here. You can go into 64 steps. And let's go back to those hi-hats. Go back to the editor. I'm gonna come over here to this arrow, click it, and that opens up the drop-down window. Now we can go over here, which is velocity. We're gonna keep velocity. We're gonna change this gate. Click on the gate. We're gonna change this to repeat, and we're gonna change the tie. We're gonna change this to note. You can change it to octave or other things here, but for now we're gonna work with this. We're gonna change this to note. And this is how you're gonna be able to pitch your hats up and down. Right here, we're gonna put a little hi-hat roll right here. We just do like a two step. I'm gonna go over here again, put one over here, put one right here. And you can just adjust this to your liking. It goes all the way up to, I think, 12. I'm not, but we're gonna just put ours to 6. And then, like I said, we can change the pitch. We can pitch it up and down. Turn the volume down a little bit. I'm sorry, the velocity. I'm gonna let's add some more steps. I'm gonna go to 32. Now we can change it. We can go click it again. We'll click on this and we can convert it to a MIDI region. Hit the editor. Now we're inside the painting roll. Now you can come over here and adjust the velocity. You can adjust it. You can pitch it up more if you need to pitch it up more and down, or you can just grab it. Let me show you. First, we're gonna let's just adjust the velocity first. We go here up to the top and go over here to this little square thing. This is how you this little square box. This is how you adjust the velocity. We're gonna put a little square box over here so we can highlight it, and then I'm just gonna stroll in here. I'm gonna open up so you can see what I'm doing. Now, you can come in here and edit your velocity with a pencil, pen. I'm sorry, with a pencil or a mouse or even your finger. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oh, and again, I think this is set. I need to change this. I think it's pretty sure. Oh no, it's not. Oh, there you go. I thought it was set to the snap, but it's not. Let me close that back down so you guys can see it. Put it back to normal. You can do the same thing over here with these. And also, I forgot to say, you can come over here if you need to adjust the if you just want to adjust the pitch of these hi-hat rolls, you can just go back up here to the top, take it off velocity, and go back to trim. And now we can just come over here and grab them and pull them down. You'll see. Got the next one down, next one down. Matter of fact, I was using my finger. I'm gonna use my mouse. Sorry about that. It's a habit because this is a touch. Since the iPad is a touch screen. Sometimes you're tempted to use the fingers, but for this video, I got to use my mouse so everybody can see. Y'all get the point. So next thing I want to show y'all is how you can make 808s in here. To make 808s in here is so easy. I'm gonna show you the best way to do your 808s inside Logic Pro for the iPad. First thing we want to do, we're gonna go back to the browser section and we're gonna grab an 808. We're gonna use that one right there. Grab it, drop it in. Quick sampler. Close the browser. Close this piano this keyboard. Now, since I know this sample was in D minor, I'm gonna go right here to the keyboard. See where here says scale. Put in scale mode. I'm gonna go to D. Come back down, change the scale to the key is in D, so I'll change it to D, and I'm gonna come back down here and put the scale into natural minor. Scale activated. Come back out of here. Oh, before we do anything, we got to adjust. We got to do some housekeeping. But this basically is the 808s right here now. We just got to do some housekeeping with the 808. So I'm gonna go right here to this little clock that opens up the quick sampler. Let me bring this down a second. Double click on quick sampler, bring it up. We're gonna change this voices over here to 1. And we're gonna change this to 1 side. You're gonna see why I'm doing it this way. Back into this keyboard, we're gonna go right over here. Click this little square. I'm gonna change the velocity. We're gonna bring the velocity all the way up so the 808s are hitting. Close that. Now I'm just gonna use my fingers right here. Whoop, sorry about that. I'm just gonna go right down here and use my fingers to click in the pattern that I like. All right. I think I got something already. Also, I forgot to tell you, this is your choice, up to you. But for me, I'm gonna go here. You go right here to this middle, and you're gonna go click change the region to region defaults, and you're gonna turn the quantize on. I got mine set for eight notes. That's how I was able to click the notes in, and they was right on. That was quantized to the nearest 8th note. Let's play back. Now we're not done. You can also come back up in here. We're gonna go back to the 808 and we're gonna edit these notes so we can add on more notes. Play back. I'm gonna go in here and select all these notes. It's on trim, so I can just come in here, select them, select everything except for that bottom one. And I'm pull them into the shrink them down. I'm gonna grab this little one. And we'll grab these two. Make this a little bigger, make these eighth notes. Whoop. And we'll grab these over here. Oh, we gotta go back, we gotta pick select. I like the trim. That's good. It don't gotta be perfect for what I'm about to do. Now that we did that, we can go back over here to the keyboard and we can add on more 808s. And now remember, now that we're in the scale, we can never go wrong, and we can definitely come up with a different pattern. So I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna hit stroll, and come back out of stroll, and now I'm gonna try to play in another pattern, add some more notes. Hold up. I messed up, but you guys get the point. Let's just play it back. We can come back in here and edit it. And shrink this down a little bit. Now, if you want to, don't forget, you can still come in here and add notes in here manually in the panel roll. You can just come in here, hit this pencil, add notes. You just got to go over here and change this the grid to the snap to whatever type of grid you want it to be, as far as adding notes. But I'm gonna leave it like that. Oh, one more quick thing I want to show everybody before I go. I don't see too many people talking about this, but there's a fast way how you can change the whole project. You can pitch this up to a whole nother key without have to go in here and do a whole bunch of, one by one and one. You can just change the whole project at one time. I'm gonna pitch this whole project up to another key, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. First thing you want to do, you're gonna go here, go to the top, hit the select button, and it doesn't matter which one. Matter of fact, we'll grab this one and we'll grab that one, and we're gonna select the 808, and that should be good enough. Then we're gonna come over here to this middle and go to region, and we're gonna change the regions to, I think it's track. Yes, you want to make sure you see this flex time on, and you see flex's time is on. So then we just go back over to the 808. We can just click the 808. Now, you can play it. Now, if I want to pitch this whole project up, I come over here with that transpose. Let's go in here, push 2. I'm going to transpose that 2 semitones. Hit 2, hit done, play back. I'm gonna go back to let's pitch the rate back down to 0. And that's how you make trap drums just like Logic Pro for the iPad. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see in the future. Peace, I'm out.